Alright, I'm hoping somebody can help me out here. So, I'm trying to 3D print basically this thing, but it won't have these slots and it won't have the holes in it for now. I'll have to drill them in. But I'm going to put a big circle here so I can fit this through it, pretty much. So, I think my tape measure here. So this thing is basically, use the loud TV in the background. I always watch TV in the living room. For well, that's kind of 5 that way, and then this way, I think it's like 4 7/8. So I go into my Fusion 360 here, and I make the little box, and so this one should be 5, and then this one will be 4 7/8, which, go away, would be 4.875, I think. Yeah. Okay. Kind of hard to see, but 4. And then I do better. And that gives me my square box. So then I take and I do the little extrudy thing. And if I do it an eighth, 0.125. Alright. And then enter to do that. And that gives me that little box right there. Now I want the hole in the middle. So I get the hole, I click it, I grab it, bounces it to the middle. I need it to be about 2.5. So I scroll over to this little doohickey and type in the 2. Well, it's already there. Can't get the focus, but 2.5. Enter for the hole. So there's that. I have that. Now, when I save it, I go and I save it. I do the export. I tell it that it's going to Cura. I open it in my Cura thing. And then when I go to print it, it ends up being freaking massive. It's like a 6x6 square. And I don't understand why it's doing that. So is there something I'm doing wrong here? Like, is my numbers off, or does it automatically, like, I don't know why it would, but make it like adjust the size? This is my first thing that I'm like really hardcore on trying to design here, and nothing's coming out right. I don't understand what's going on here. Like, I basically want it to be, where's my paper? I want it to be like this. So you'll still have the 4 holes like in the original plate, and then these 2 holes will be the holes for these to screw into, and this will fit inside of that. Like, this part will go inside that hole. So can somebody help me out here with what I'm doing wrong? Thank you.